In this video, we're going to show you how to install the door panel on your Toyota Camry located on your interior. With the door panel open, I'm going to go ahead and use our trim tool here to go ahead and get right on the back side, push this in, and then twist it, popping this up. Now we're just releasing some plastic retainers. I'm going to lift it up and pull it back. Going to flip it over. You're going to have two connectors on the back side. There's going to be a little retainer button here. You're going to press that in and then pull that white connector out. Do the same on this one here. Pinch and pull. Using your trim tool, I want to go ahead and pop the sail panel trim right here. You're just releasing this blue retainer button. Go ahead and set that aside. Remove the armrest pad by using your trim tool. Get it between the pad and the door panel itself. Go ahead, gently lift this up. There's going to be a tab right inside here. You're just going to use your fingertip and push it in. Wiggle it up and out. Set that aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, I want to loosen and remove the two door panel screws here. One here and one here. Now inside the pull here, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to use my trim tool and I'm going to get right inside here and pry this cover out, popping that out. That's going to expose a Phillips head screw. We're going to use our screwdriver to go ahead and loosen and remove this. And go ahead and set that aside. We're going to be reusing that later on. Now I want to go ahead and pop our door panel off. I'm going to run my fingers along the inside section here of the door panel, run it down into the corner, and then just give it a little tug. Work your way around the perimeter, releasing the plastic retainers. And then work your way up both sides. Then once you feel that the whole door panel is rocking back and forth on the upper sill area, we're going to lift it up and off. Good, pull this off. And our door handle will pop out on the back side. And go ahead and set that door panel to the side. Let's bring our door panel up in a position. Feed our release handle in. Snap that in a position. Raise the panel up. We want to hang the door panel on the upper portion of the sill. Before we snap the door completely into position, grab the harness for your window switch. Make sure that is up and clear. Make sure that the door shell is snapped on all the way. You can run your hands around the perimeter. That is all secured. Let's go ahead and install the screw in the upper portion here. Run that all the way in, snug it down. Install the trim panel. It just has some tabs on the back side here. Simply go ahead and line this up. Insert and press in gently. Install the 2 large screws. Once you get them started, go ahead and snug them down. Grab the pad. This little tab here needs to go into the plastic door panel pocket. There's a little tab or a little opening for this to go into. Then line this up. Snap it down into position. Grab the harness. Get your connectors plugged in. Insert the front portion into the hole in the pocket of the door panel. Push it forward, line it up. It's going to be a series of tabs that line up in the door panel itself. Snap it down. Install the upper sail panel trim. Little blue button here, line it up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.